Captain America owns an unbreakable shield. He challenges everyone to try and destroy it. First, a skeleton steps forward. He fires arrows at the shield. Nothing happens. He throws a powerful punch. The shield stays intact, but his own hand shatters. Next, the Iron Golem is summoned. He delivers a massive punch. Still nothing. He keeps punching again and again, but the shield doesn't crack. Exhausted, he steps back and admits, "I can't do it." Then the Wither Skeleton arrives. He unleashes the full power of his twin swords, but the shield remains untouched. Defeated, he walks away in silence. Suddenly, a baby zombie appears. He activates his ability, transforming into Herobrine. He throws a devastating punch, yet the shield still doesn't break. Confused, he freezes. Captain America begins to laugh. The other contestants laugh with him. The baby zombie grows furious. He pulls out flint and steel and sets the shield on fire. Everyone goes silent. Captain America is shocked. The crowd stands frozen in disbelief. And that is called Baby Zombie Aura.